Welcome back. Today, we're uncovering one of the biggest financial traps affecting millions of middle-class families. A trap that looks harmless, feels affordable, and slowly steals wealth without anyone noticing. It's called the EMI trap, and by the end of this video, you may never look at monthly installments the same way again. Imagine earning a decent salary every month, owning a new bike, the latest smartphone, a big television, and a beautifully furnished apartment. From the outside, life looks successful, but every month, the moment the salary arrives, a large part of it disappears. Bike EMI, phone EMI, furniture EMI, personal loan EMI, and by the end of the month, there's barely anything left. The question is, are these people becoming wealthier, or are they quietly becoming poorer? EMIs sound like a brilliant idea. Why wait months or years to buy something when you can take it home today? Just pay a small amount every month. Simple, convenient, affordable. At least, that's what it seems. And that's exactly why millions of people choose EMIs. The problem is, what feels affordable today can become expensive tomorrow. The problem isn't EMIs themselves. The real problem is relying on them for everything. Let's say you earn 60,000 rupees per month. Your bike costs 4,000 rupees per month. Your phone costs 2,500 rupees. Furniture costs another 3,000 rupees. And a few credit card installments add another 2,500 rupees. That's 12,000 rupees every month. 20% of your income. Already committed before the month even begins. Money that could have been saved. Money that could have been invested. Money that could have been building your future. Here's where it gets interesting. EMIs change the way we think. When a salesperson says, only 2,999 rupees per month, most people stop looking at the actual price. Instead of seeing an 80,000 rupees purchase, they see a small monthly payment. And suddenly, things that once felt expensive start feeling affordable. That's why many people end up buying things they never planned to buy in the first place. Now let's look at what EMIs really cost. Imagine paying 15,000 rupees every month toward different EMIs. Instead, what if that same 15,000 rupees was invested every month? Over time, those investments could grow. After 10 years, the difference could be worth tens of lakhs of rupees. That's the hidden cost of EMIs. They don't just take today's money, they take away future opportunities. This is how many people get trapped. Salary comes in, EMIs go out, bills get paid, the remaining money gets spent, no savings. Then an emergency happens, a new loan is taken, another EMI is added, and the cycle repeats, month after month, year after year. Working harder, but never getting ahead. Good EMI versus bad EMI. Now, not all debt is bad. Some EMIs can help create wealth. An education loan can increase future income. A business loan can create new opportunities. These are investments in growth, but financing a luxury phone, an expensive vacation, or unnecessary upgrades usually doesn't create wealth. It simply delays the cost. The solution. So how do you avoid the EMI trap? 3 simple rules. First, think twice before financing something you don't truly need. Second, keep your total EMIs below 20 to 25% of your monthly income. And third, before taking any EMI, ask yourself one question. Will this purchase help me build wealth in the future? Or is it only giving me temporary satisfaction? EMIs are not the enemy. But when EMIs become a lifestyle, building wealth becomes much harder. Wealthy people often buy assets first, and luxuries later. Many middle-class families do the opposite. They buy luxuries first, and hope wealth will come later. The next time someone says, it's only 3,999 rupees per month, pause for a moment and ask yourself, are you buying a product? Or are you selling a piece of your future income?